Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Talk. I'm Lily.
And I'm Tom. Good to see you again.
If this is your first time watching, come and join our family.
Every day. So tap that subscribe button now and turn on the little bell. Then you never miss a lesson.
Today, we have a fun topic. We are talking about your favorite job.
Ooh, I like this one. My favorite job or the job I want in the future?
Both. The job you love now and the job you dream about. All of it.
Perfect. I have a lot to say about this.
I know you do, Tom. I know you do. But before we start, Tom, I want to ask you about your very first job.
Oh no. Which job?
You know the one. The bakery. The giant chocolate birthday cake.
Lily, please, not this story.
Yes, this story. Okay, everyone. Here is your question for today. On Tom's very first day at the bakery, a huge chocolate cake flew out of his hands, and a customer was standing right next to him.
Right next to me. Very close.
So my question for you is this. What do you think that customer did next? Think about your answer while you listen. Do not tell us yet. Keep it in your head.
This is going to be a long 15 minutes.
So, Tom, tell us, your first job was at a bakery?
Yes, I was 17. It was a small bakery near my house. I loved it.
What did you love about it?
The smell. Fresh bread every morning. I love baking, and I love eating even more.
Of course you do.
My job was simple. I put cakes in boxes. I helped customers. Sometimes I carried big cakes to the front.
And on your first day?
On my first day, oh boy. My boss gave me one job, carry a big chocolate cake to the counter. A birthday cake, very tall, 3 layers.
3 layers on day 1?
3 layers, and I was so nervous my hands were shaking a little.
Okay, so you pick up the cake.
I pick up the cake, I walk very slowly, step, 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 and then my shoe. There was some cream on the floor.
No.
My shoe slipped. The cake went up in the air. Up, up, like a bird.
A chocolate bird.
A chocolate bird. And right next to me, there was a customer, a tall man in a very nice suit.
Oh no, a nice suit?
A beautiful gray suit, and the cake was coming down right above him.
And then what happened?
And then, no, that is the question for our viewers. I cannot tell you.
Tom.
Rules are rules, Lily.
Fine, keep your little secret, but it is still my favorite story about you. So that bakery job, was it your favorite job?
It was fun, but my favorite job is a different one. My favorite job is this one, right here, teaching English with you.
Oh, that is very sweet.
I know, I am a sweet man, like a chocolate cake.
Please stop. For me, my favorite job is this one too. But when I was young, I wanted to be a vet.
A vet? A doctor for animals?
Yes, I love animals. But I do not love blood, so that was a small problem.
A small problem for a vet, yes, very small.
A big problem, actually. So now I teach, and I am happy. Okay, let's learn some English. This topic is great for grammar.
Yes, when we talk about jobs, we use the present simple.
Right. We use it to say what a person does every day. For example, a teacher teaches students.
And we add an S for he, she, or it. She teaches, he works, it helps.
Good, Tom. I work, you work, but she works. A small s, a big difference.
The famous little s. It is always there, ready to trap you.
It is. Now, how do we talk about a job we love?
We use love, like, or enjoy, and then a verb with ing.
Yes, I love baking. I enjoy helping people. I like meeting new customers.
And if we don't like it,
Then we say, I hate, or a softer one, I don't really enjoy.
I don't really enjoy cleaning the floor after a cake flies away.
Perfect example. 10 points.
Thank you. Real life experience.
And one more. For a dream job, we say, I want to be, or I'd love to be.
I want to be a pilot. I'd love to be a chef.
You'd love to be a chef?
After the cake, no. Never again.
Now let's learn 5 useful words for talking about jobs. Ready?
Ready. Let's go.
First word, dream job. Your dream job is the perfect job for you, the job you really want.
So my dream job is a food taster. Someone pays me to eat cake all day.
Of course it is. My dream job when I was 10 was different. I wanted to be a singer.
A singer? Can you sing?
No, not at all. My family asked me to stop.
Your own family.
My own family. So, dream job. Say it with me at home. Dream job. Next word, shift. A shift is your work time. A morning shift, a night shift.
Oh, I remember shifts. At the bakery, I started at 4 in the morning.
4 in the morning?
4 in the morning. It was dark. I was a very sleepy baker boy.
Oh, poor sleepy baker boy.
But I ate warm bread at 5, so it was okay.
So we can say, I work the morning shift. She works the night shift. Try it at home. Word 3, coworker. A coworker is a person you work with.
I had a great coworker at the bakery. Her name was Rosa. She was 70 years old.
70 and still baking?
Still baking. Fast hands. She made 100 cookies before I made 10.
So she was faster than you?
Everyone was faster than me, Lily.
Well, now we are coworkers, and you are still slow at the coffee.
Rude, but it's true.
Word 4, customer. A customer is a person who buys something from you.
Like the man in the gray suit next to the flying cake.
Yes, that customer. But we are not talking about him, right?
Right. No, we move on, quickly.
A good sentence is, I help customers every day, or our customers are very friendly.
My favorite part of any job is the customers. I love talking to people.
That is true. You talk to everyone. In the shop, in the street, on the bus.
People are interesting. Everybody has a story.
Last word, get paid. When you get paid, you receive money for your work.
The best day. Payday.
Tell us about your first paycheck.
My first paycheck from the bakery. I was so proud. I felt rich.
What did you buy?
Shoes. Special shoes with no slip on the bottom.
After the cake, yes. Smart boy.
Late, but smart.
So we say, I get paid on Friday. She gets paid every month. And remember the little s.
The little s is back. It never leaves us alone.
Okay, let's do a quick review. We learned 5 words today.
Dream job, the perfect job for you.
Shift, your work time, like the morning shift.
Coworker, a person you work with. Hello, Rosa.
Customer, a person who buys from you.
And get paid. Money for your work. Payday.
And the grammar? Present simple for jobs. A teacher teaches.
Plus the little s for he and she. She works.
And love, enjoy, or like, plus a verb with ing for the jobs we love.
I love baking. I enjoy talking to customers.
Try to make your own sentences at home. Say them out loud. Do not be shy. Now we have 2 questions for you today.
2, big day.
Question 1, what is your favorite job or your dream job? Tell us in the comments.
And question 2, remember the flying chocolate cake and the man in the gray suit?
Here we go.
What do you think the customer did? Write your guess below. Be creative.
We love reading your comments. Write in English. Any small sentence is great.
Your English is better than you think.
That is all for today. Thank you for learning English with us.
You did great. Every day you watch, your English grows.
If you enjoyed this lesson, tap subscribe and join our family. We are here every single day.
A new lesson tomorrow, then another one. And yes, one more the day after that.
He can count, everyone.
I can. My math is better than my baking.
Keep practicing at home, and we will see you in the next video.
Bye, everyone. Take care.
Bye-bye.